Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode. So to get access to the ratio settings we have to move to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and here we are in the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the rear camera and the selfie camera settings. As you can see, in both of these categories we have the photo size at the first place. So for example, let me pick the rear camera size to show you how it works. And as you can see, here we have the ratio, and also this is connected with the resolution. So this is the camera frame and this is the quality of the picture. So for now we are in 4:3 ratio. This is connected with 12 megapixels or 8 megapixels. This is how it works, and this is how it looks like in the quick preview. We have also 16:9 ratio, so this is how it looks like, and this is connected with 9 megapixels resolution or 6 megapixels. So this is how it works. And let's go back also to the camera preview. As you can see here, the ratio has changed to 16:9. And here we have also access to 21:9 ratio, and this is connected with 6 and 9 megapixels resolution or 4 and 6. So this is how it works. And as you can see in the preview, this is how it changes. Also in the camera it changes to the full screen ratio. So this is how it works. And of course we can easily go back to 4:3 to the original one. And the same thing we have in the selfie camera. By tapping on this we can manage the same ratios, but this is connected with the different quality. So 4:3 is available with 16 megapixels or 4 megapixels. 16:9 is available with 11:9 megapixels or 3 megapixels, and 21:9 is available with 9:1 megapixels or 2 and 3 megapixels. So this is how it works here. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.